Fáilte go dtí an rangailge inniu, baimid ag tosú chabadal nua agus éad nua, a new chapter or unit. Taisteal an tanam atá seo. Taisteal, travel. Okay, so for dhearr na chabadal seo, by the end of this chapter, by me in on, I will be able to leabhart faoi mo léitheanta saoire, to speak about my holidays. Cursius phleananna atá déanta agam, describe plans that I have done or made. Irde an chumpais a ahint, so the directions of the compass, you'll know those. Turas scoile a phleanáil agus a phlé, so to plan and discuss a school trip. Córta puis de scríomh, to write a postcard, agus díspóireacht hábhacht thiara an thabhairí a scríomh. Okay, so díspóireacht is a debate. Okay, so by me dig vacant sin. Gramadach an aimsir áisteanach. Okay, tá sé sin déanta, good. So tá by seans a goin an aimsir áisteanach a úsáid, agus príomh scileanna a bheith litirtha, so working on literacy, ólas agus smaointeoireacht a bhanistú, so managing and managing information and your thinking. May féin a bhanistú, so managing yourself, agus cumarsáid, communication. So always your skillina are very important. Okay, so task a hain. Cinálacha sira. Okay, so cén sort sira atá an seo. Sira sciála, sira safari, sira charnachta, sira carrock, city break, city holiday. Sira graine, think of an green, tan green ag tanmh. Sira champála, sira an bhála druma, backpack. Okay, backpacking holiday. Sira gníomhaíochta, action or activity holiday. Okay, so match all na picture agus scríomh an stór focail seo nua is teach iad do choplar an Gaeilge agus an Béarla. Okay, so sin task a hain. Okay, on what? Task of do. Match all an seo. Okay, so match all agus cursius leis na cinálacha sira. So match these up with the types of holidays. Okay, Ibrahim, Shlaunoi to Shias na Shleivta Lewis Lasrock. Shlaunig is to slide or to, yeah. Shlaunoi to Shias na Shleivta. You will slide down the mountains Lewis Lasrock at the speed of light. Or gahan tapi. By shay full on, it will be healthy. Ach kahi tu a ve kuramach, but you must be careful. Okay, so please note all of these are in the I'm sure áisteanach. Okay, cowrowi tu, cowrig, feki tu, na raiarc cultura is fair. Kahi tu, an lá fad ag ligan do ski, you will spend. Okay, on what ag ligan do skihe. Okay, relaxing. Cudloi tu, cad is beidir sin cudloi, tá mé ag dul a culla. Cudloi tu a bubble, compordach. You will sleep in a comfortable, pubble is a tent. Okay, bonny tu sulta, as an air bra full on. Ivri sé, is isha an tsira is sira. On tsira, the holiday is sira. Sir also means cheap. So this is the cheapest holiday. Taistealóí tu. Taistal is to travel. So taistealóí tu, you will travel. O áit go háit bus nó train. Cudlóí tu imrúna óige, agus búlí tu le go leor daoine óga eile. If you're shocked, feci tu anmhethe alta. You will see anmhethe or animals. Cad is bríle alta. Gná óg nádúirtha. Cad is bríle gná óg agus nádúirtha. Taistealóí tu hart jeepana móra. If you're hooked, drapi tu shleivte. Cad is bríle drap. Drapi tú sléifte. We've had sléifte already. That's mountains. Agus bani tú trial as ziplínál agus raf tú bán isce. Tuigeann tú bán, tuigeann tú isce. Cad é bán isce. Raf tú bán isce. Okay? So gach duine, scríb an Gaeilge agus an Béarla. We want full sentences here. Okay? An Gaeilge agus an Béarla agus matchall. Okay? So sin task dó. Okay. Task 3. Task 3 by tú ag éisteacht. Okay? So déanamid é seo le chéile mar rang. Okay? So that's task 3. We will do that together as a class. Le chéile. Okay? Agus sin é don rang inniu. Okay? Gur míle maith agaibh, slán go fóill.